Hey guys, welcome back to Small Vans Big World. I'm Daniel, behind the camera is Christina. We're excited to show you another van we just did. It has a couple very unique things about it that are different from all the ones we've done. Before we hop into that, a little sneak peek to our new shop that's behind the van, the big black building. We're excited to build a bunch of vans in there as well, so more on that coming up. In the meantime, let's hop into the van and let's take a look. So as you can see in this van, we have what we're just calling our standard layout, plus with the microwave, the whole package. Right here, once you enter, you can have the fridge right here, easily located, the fridge and freezer. We really like this one, really nice aesthetics, plus it works really great, runs off of the whole system in the back. Here we have some storage, accessible from this side or from that back side. This is an air conditioner, and we're going to get into that a little later. Really excited to show you guys that and to have that as an option for you guys. We have the porta potty toilet, super easy right there. Comes with every van. We include even the baskets that are specifically designed to store items underneath the bed right here. Like I've mentioned in a few of the other videos, I'm a 6-foot tall guy. And yeah, the ceiling is as it is. Unfortunately, they don't make these vans just a little bit taller, but with a bit of a slouch position, comfortable position, I'm just fine. That's why we do offer the skylight in this section here, so that when you're sitting in this area, you can have a taller head height. Then we really like our cedar ceiling that we do. We can stain it any color. The reason I like the cedar is it's resistant to mold, moisture, and bugs. Actually, bugs don't like it, and it has a pretty nice smell to it. So many times we'll match the ceiling with the floor or whatever aesthetics that you want. So plenty of room in here to do some work on this table. You also have the pull-out table in the back, a drawer right here to store a cooktop. One of those propane, butane cooktops will fit in here perfectly. And then down here is our electrical cabinet. We've covered that in depth in other videos. Again, microwave, this actually runs off of the inverter and solar, really great. And then additional cabinetry up here. Scooting down this way, this client opted out for the stainless steel sink. It's a little smaller, it's about this size. This comes with the lid. So we've been doing this option with the stainless steel sink or that farm style sink. Cabinetry space under there. And then another one here, a little open shelf here. This has our epoxy countertop, a little bit of peel and stick tile for our backsplash. We've switched over to laminate for our cabinetry instead of paint because it's really resistant, scratch proof, and also cleans really well with different cleaners. Nice gray cushions. Pulls down, obviously you have your light with the USB port right there. And from the back doors, this one has the barn doors, or you can get a van with the lift gate. These also swing out all the way, which is nice. Of course, we have the pull-out table back here. Really nice big table for you to sit out here or just have your coffee in the morning. In the back, like you've seen on our other ones, the exterior lights, a dump valve, the electronic valve for the 2.5 gallon tank underneath, then your water pump. And then on this van, as part of the upgrade for the AC, we also went with a bigger solar panel. It's a 200-watt solar panel. We'll show you that now. And the purpose of that upgrade is to supply some additional power when you're off grid and you want to also run the AC, which is now a great option to be able to do that. You can kind of combat some of the summer heat if you're camping in the summer. In case you haven't seen how easy the bed goes down from sofa mode into bed, let me show you that really quick. And just like that, you're ready to go to bed. It's 43 inches wide and then over 6 feet tall. So it'll sleep comfortably, 2 people nice and cozy right in here. It's a 4-inch mattress, memory foam with batting, canvas fabric. There are several color options that you can choose from with this. And this is a really nice durable fabric that also unzips, comes off. It's washable as well. The bed goes up just as easy as it comes down. And when you hear the click, it's locked in and it's staying right there. So really great for 1 or 2 people traveling. This client right here just retired, so is really excited to start his traveling over the US. And one thing he asked for was an AC option. So we first considered one of the rooftop units. They're really huge and they pull a lot of power. You need to be connected to the grid or an outlet. So we came up with this option. You're going to see what we have. It's not sponsored, but you can see what it is, and it can be an option for your van if you want to have it as well. So the AC unit also stores really nicely right in this cabinet. The Zero Breeze comes with a battery, and then this is the AC unit. You can see that it's quite light. So this is a real air conditioner. It's based on a 24-volt system. It has a real air compressor and it's not like a water-cooled one or something. I ran a wire from the house battery that goes through a converter that you can actually plug this system in to get even more extended runtime. And I'm actually going to show you how to set it up. It's pretty cool. So we made a template that's going to go into this window. On the cargo vans, the passenger seat goes down flat just like this. So it makes for a really great platform to put this on. So the template will go in the window, slide it down. It's a little easier to do it from the outside. This is just a 1/4 inch piece of plywood that I cut out. It comes with a template, but I made this specifically to fit this window. I even made a little gasket for the glass itself. Okay, and then the window slides up just like that. The unit itself comes with this ductwork. Since this is a real air conditioner, on the rear end it puts out hot air and then sucks in cold air. And then from here you put the ductwork through these 2 holes, and then that gets you the air circulation that the compressor needs. Because then from the front you get really nice cold air blowing through here, takes in the cabin air through there, and it really cools the air. It's like 50-degree air coming out of there. So for such a small van, I think that's going to be a really great option. And even it has a sleep mode that you could just run it all night long. And on the sleep mode, it uses even less power, that it can last you all night. So we're really excited to have an option for you guys, for the people that really want to take camping to a next level, or an all-inclusive luxury level, to where you have the heat and now you have the AC as well. All right, thanks guys for watching. We actually got to run. We got to go deliver this van to the client. And if you want to know more information, if you want to get a quote from us, if you want to see some of our other projects, go to our website, smallvansbigworld.com, and you can see our portfolio there. You can send us an email as well. Let's get talking. We're pretty booked for this summer, but we still have some openings if you guys are interested. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like it, share it with somebody you know, and we'll see you in the next video.